Hello everybody, this is Mark in Oklahoma, and I have X-linked retinitis pigmentosa. I have lost all my sight from retinitis pigmentosa, and I hope to use the device maybe to regain my sight if I ever get my insurance to pay for it, maybe my second sight, out of California. I'm going to tell people about all the other treatments there are for RP, retinitis pigmentosa, around the country and around the world that I have learned about on the internet, because I got this idea from a friend of mine, John Mark, in McKinney, Texas, and because he said about Google alerts, and some of my videos were popping up on Google alerts. And I'm going to give these people some information about some of the treatments that are out there for.
Dr. Nolan, one.
Okay, that's it. Got it on my recorder here, so. So, one of the treatments about is just like just like the one I have. It's a device called August 2 Roman 2 bionic eyesight. It's an implant that goes into the retina, and you can go to their website of secondsight.com and look at the demonstration of the video if you can see, but a lot of people can't see. And it's basically for people who have lost all their eyesight and from retinitis pigmentosa, and it will give you just a little bit of sight back.
630-855. Second Sight's phone number is.
Their phone number of Second Sight, if you're interested in this device, they're offering this around the country in 13 different cities. Is
It's toll-free.
855-756-3703. And you can ask them about the device, and they can tell you more about it. Or after you can go to their website. And there's another
Dr. Nolan's ecotherapy.
Dr. Nolan's ecotherapy, and it works real good on Stargardt disease, which is a form of retinitis pigmentosa, and some other forms of retinitis pigmentosa, but it really doesn't work on the kind of retinitis pigmentosa I have. And it's called ecotherapy. It's a drops that you put into the eye. It's an old blood eye pressure drop that Dr. Nolan has got the rights to, and he actually does clinical trials on it. You can call Dr. Nolan. His clinic is in Farmington, Connecticut, and I got his number for you.
Ecotherapy, Dr. Nolan, 1-860.
I'll get it here in just a second.
67
Oh, no.
4 9 6 2.
I should have had this better prepared.
Oh.
So
The number again.
here it is.
Is
1-860
674
674
9627.
9627. And that works pretty good on a lot of forms of RP, and I've actually talked to the doctor, and he don't charge a whole lot for that treatment, and he can tell you if it's going to work for you or not. And a friend of mine in McKinney, Texas, he told me about the electrical stimulation therapy that's approved for in Europe, and it's not approved in this country yet, but it works pretty good. And also, I told him about valproic acid, which works magnificent for all forms of RP, and it's valproic acid. Some people call it Defecade, Depakote, and it's always been known to help visual problems, and pharmaceutical people knew it for years. It's a magnificent drug. It's an old drug, has a very long-term safety record, and it's basically prescribed probably people who have seizures and other things like that. But I think it's 200 either IU or MUs given to anybody with retinitis pigmentosa. The people who have took the drug has had increases in their field of vision, and their sight has improved in as little as 2 weeks. And it's an amazing drug, and there are clinical trials ongoing in different parts of the country with this therapy. And a lot of people, ophthalmologists, are prescribing it to patients off-label. Also, omega-3 oils. I went to a clinical trial for about vitamin A palmitate treatment years ago, and they found out that most people with, especially this form of RP I have low levels of fish oil, omega-3s in their system. And they are doing clinical trials to see if it slows. It won't give you any more vision, but it could probably slow the progression of your RP, which you can go to Walmart or anywhere and get a good quality omega-3s. I take the one from Puritan Pride, which has all the omega-3s in it, and it seems to, it's also good for you in other ways too, good for your skin. And there's vitamin A palmitate, which everybody who has RP knows about it, but it doesn't work on X-linked RP for sure, and it works on most forms of RP just to maybe slow the progression of the disease. And anyone who has any other options for people to take treatments for retinitis pigmentosa, please put comments on this this YouTube video so other people can hear your opinions and about treatments for retinitis pigmentosa. That's a big thing I have against the Foundation Fighting Blindness. They don't really sponsor any kind of alternative treatments, but they are alternatives. Edgar Casey, the great psychic from the early 1900s, he had treatments for retinitis pigmentosa, and he's reading that. And you can look up Edgar Casey on the internet and find out about that. You've seen pretty interesting. It worked back in the 1800s, and also there's I believe a acupuncturist, whatever he is, out there in Vancouver, Canada, that offers a treatment for retinitis pigmentosa. It seems to be helping some people, but whatever works. See, that's what I don't understand. See, it's like the Cancer Treatment Centers of America or any of these major cancer centers. They try everything, whether it's holistic medicine or natural treatments to, save you from cancer. So people should use every means to their ability to save their eyesight if they have retinitis pigmentosa, if they want to. Whether it's holistic, whether it's just, if you just find that just clapping your hands every day 3 times makes your sight better and makes it last just a little bit longer, use it. And I believe this is the way you got to fight this eye condition called retinitis pigmentosa. And I am waiting for a call from the Retina Centers of the Southwest and see if my insurance will pay for this bionic eyesight, and if it does, the first 10,000 people who use this device, it will lead someday to all people who are blind, that they will not have to be blind all their life. They will be able to see again if they want to. God bless everybody, and if you have any kind of treatments that's out there that you know of to treat eye condition retinitis pigmentosa, please post it on my webpage, my YouTube page, and give me your phone number. I love to talk. I got a Magic Jack phone. I'll talk to anybody. And I hope to talk to my friend John Michael in McKinney, Texas this week. Hope he's having a good day, and God bless everybody. And if this video could help anyone, I think I did something good. God bless. Bye bye from beautiful Oklahoma.
Photo and video. Camera chooser. Mode. Camera. Photo and video. Stop recording video.